How to fix your device is missing important security updates. Make sure you keep your device on plug error. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can fix your device is missing important security updates error. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. So let's dive right into it. First step that you might want to do is search for services. So search for services and open that up. Now inside here, you will need to tap on any service that's currently displayed, then tap on W. Then here you will find Windows Update. It should be somewhere around here. There we go. Now you can double tap on it to open it up. If you haven't started it, start the service. It should start it. Now, if it's already running in your device, tap on restart. Here you'll find the restart service option. Tap on it and it will restart. After you've restarted your Windows Update service, head over to your settings. Open up your settings. After you're on your settings, on the left sidebar, you'll find Windows Update. Tap on Windows Update and check for any updates if it's available or not. So after you find any updates, if there are any available, simply update to the latest version. After you've updated to the latest version, what you might want to do is check for your date and time. So after you're done with the update, make sure that your date and time is correctly displayed. So head over to the search bar and search for date and time settings. Open up your date and time settings, and inside here you'll find your set times on automatically and other stuff. So you can simply make sure that it's automatic. It's completely fine. If it's automatic, you don't have to set it up manually. And yeah, you can simply toggle this button on that says set time automatically. After that, make sure that your region is correct as well. Doing all of those should fix your problem, and once you update your software or once you update your Windows, your problem will get fixed. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos. And bye-bye. Take care.